real challenge. A lot of talk before the match about how these two will line up. Let's see what the managers have gone with. The home team has gone with a strong lineup here.
We also acknowledge
They're playing a 4-4-2 formation.
Emiliano Sala and pilot David Ibbotson as we continue to pray.
So we're underway and the players really looking forward to this game.
With all of those involved and with our friends at Cardiff
Now
City
Wilson.
Football Club. Ahead of the kickoff,
Striker's ball.
please join us in observing
It's with the striker.
a moment of silent reflection.
The defender regains possession and now they'll try and break. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Oh, he must score. And now Wilson. And that is a fantastic goal. Let's see that one again.
Lunge by Westwood. Lukaku will want on his left if he can. He finds Rashford. Oh, what a miss. Well, one of the informed strikers in the Premier League, you just expected the net to bulge.
What great play by Lukaku.
The players are really
You think,
celebrating
yes,
and
this
we're
can be
back
number
underway.
one.
Played wide. Moving down the flanks here.
Well defended. And that's going to get the offside.
Dangerous tackle there.
I'm not so sure that's offside, Stuart, but that came off the Burnley player.
He's going to keep
It
his
was an
cards in
offside
his
possession,
pocket.
no question about that.
Pogba was
And
frustrated
it's
there.
saved by the keeper.
Was up. And if you remember,
He must score, surely. He got a good hand behind that. Now, what can they conjure up?
Drills it home.
Can he finish it? Lost inside, as a dig. The keeper's blocked that one. They're waiting in the box, hoping for a good delivery. And that one's swung. Great chance here. Has a crack. And this really takes the pressure off the defence.
Pushed away very well by Heaton. He's hoping for it.
He's cut it back inside. It's with the defender now.
Good ball in. That's a really good save. Excellent from Heaton.
And with the defender now. The defender's back on the ball. It's with the defender now.
Hendrick
Now it's Aurier.
kicked in free header at 2-0.
Lovely pass. He's unstoppable with the ball. Good ball.
Mata. And again.
That's not a great challenge. Need to be making the goalkeeper work from here.
That is a penalty. John Ross right behind that. Pogba gives United hope. You don't save those penalties. Inside the top corner. Is there time for United here? 2-1.
Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play.
Jones is there.
Short throw.
Finds Jesse Lingard.
He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Shoots! He should have been on target. The fourth official has indicated 1 minute of stoppage time. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. That's it for... They're winning at the halfway stage. Can they see out the rest of the game? Striker's ball.
Well, Manchester United rescue a point.
And now Wilson.
For the second season running. Manchester United.
It's with the striker. Oh, there's an opening here. Shoots. Oh, he's...
Spanish United 2, Burnley 2.
Some applause from the opponent's fans.
Watch my
It's a world-class
documentary
finish. What else can you say?
exclusively on
Here's a
NUT.
replay of that great goal.
Eric Bailly, L'Elephant
The
Dasu.
score 2-0.
Exclusive
The
on
next goal will
MUTV.
prove to be decisive. He loves to go past players with the ball. Good interception. He's so skillful on the ball. Oh, determined challenge there. The defender then back on the ball. It's with the striker. It's with the striker. Good defending. This team look eager for more goals, and it's looking likely they'll get them. wonderful trickery here. Corner kick. Whipped in. Can he get a shot in? Pulls the trigger. Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. Oh, we need to see that goal again. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. The referee gets the game back underway. It's with the striker. Striker's ball. Oh, that's a foul. Let's see what difference the change makes. They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure. The defenders back on the ball. Played in field. Passed inside. This player is taking on the opposition. Quality defending there. Oh, they needed to get that one away, and they have. What a well-timed tackle. It's with the striker. That's a bit cynical, really. It's going to be a free kick. It's a yellow card, no arguments there from the player. The fourth official has indicated 1 minute of stoppage time. A tactical change here then. We all know what this player can do from this kind of set piece. And that's a goal kick. They keep hammering the opposition in search of more goals. These players are amongst the best in the world, but even they couldn't stop this dream team. The captain then collects the trophy. They've done it, and they are the champions.